If you're thinking about buying the Froza Portable AC, you may want to wait until you hear what we found, because the marketing makes some bold promises that deserve a closer look. Froza claims to provide instant cooling, slash electricity costs by up to 90%, and perform like a traditional air conditioner without any installation. But those statements don't appear to be supported by detailed engineering data or independent performance testing. Based on the available information, the device functions as a compact evaporative air cooler rather than a true air conditioner, meaning it does not use a compressor or refrigerant system like a standard AC. That also means expectations should be realistic, especially if you're hoping to cool an entire room during hot summer days. Another concern is the heavy use of promotional content that includes AI-generated images, questionable customer testimonials, and media logos from major outlets such as Forbes, CNN, NBC, The Washington Post, and the New York Times without clear evidence that these organizations actually reviewed or endorsed the product. We also found constant discount offers and countdown timers that create a sense of urgency, even though similar promotions appear to be available all the time. Looking deeper into the product itself, it closely resembles generic portable air coolers available from Chinese marketplaces like Alibaba, AliExpress, and Temu for roughly $8 to $10. While Froza is often marketed for around $90 to $100 or more, a higher price alone doesn't prove a product is bad, but buyers should understand what they're actually paying for. There have also been complaints about earlier versions of similar devices not meeting the cooling expectations shown in advertisements. Overall, Froza Portable AC may offer some localized airflow and minor cooling when used correctly, but the available evidence does not support many of the dramatic marketing claims. If you're expecting the performance of a real air conditioner, you may end up disappointed, so it's worth researching carefully before making a purchase.